Conor Benn has returned an adverse analytical finding for trace amounts of a fertility drug before his fight with Chris Eubank Jr., promoters have said. They say he has not been suspended and remains free to fight in London. The B sample has yet to be tested, meaning that no rule violation has been confirmed, said the statement from Matchroom and Wasserman Boxing. It added that Benn, 26, has not been charged and that he and Eubank, 33, are still keen to fight on Saturday. The pair are scheduled to meet in an all-British catchweight bout at the O2 Arena, 30 years after their fathers, Nigel Benn and Chris Eubank Sr., faced each other in the ring. The promoter's statement said, "We have been made aware that a random anti-doping test for Conor Benn conducted by the Voluntary Anti-Doping Association returned an adverse analytical finding for trace amounts of a fertility drug. Mr. Benn has since passed a doping control test conducted by the UK Anti-Doping Agency, the anti-doping authority to which the British Board of Boxing Control has delegated its doping control testing for the bout. Mr. Benn has passed all doping control tests conducted by UKAD. Both fighters have taken medical and legal advice, are aware of all relevant information, and wish to proceed with the bout this Saturday." Benn tested positive for the female fertility drug clomiphene at the end of August or beginning of September, said Kalle Sauerland of Wasserman Boxing, the promoters who represent Eubank. The drug, also known as clomiphene, is on the World Anti-Doping Agency's list of banned substances. Sauerland told TalkSport, he did not regard it as a performance-enhancing drug but said it can raise testosterone. "We discussed it straight away with the most important person from our side, the athlete," he said. He was happy to continue and spoke to Benn directly. A £157 limit has been put in place for the catchweight bout. Eubank Jr. faces the task of dropping down from £160, where he has spent most of his career, while Benn was £146.5 when he beat Chris Van Heerden in April. Failure to make the contracted weight by either fighter on Friday would result in a £100,000 fine for each pound recorded over the limit. Eubank and Benn's fathers famously met twice in the 1990s, with the former winning the first fight and the rematch ending in a draw.